Welcome back guys, CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to show you just local updates for Pnut the squirrel targets updates with indicator set. Let's dive in. Congrats everybody who not hop in with the FOMO, with the greedy buyers at the top after listening on Binance. 2 billion market capitalization and people hop in into some Pnut the squirrel token and talk about 5 billion market cap, like 10 billion market cap. Like it's nothing, just like a few penny, right? To put the price a little bit higher to 2 billion market capitalization. Guys, it doesn't work like this one. Usually they bring new listings, you know, when the token from nowhere hit the 2 billion market cap, it's not a time to in. That's why now when we landed after $2, let's say 50, we trade now at the monthly open at 26 cents, up to you. But now it's more than okay to speculate this token with a target. Target is a yearly open, 67 cents, 37. So it's more than real to see that test. Even if we invert chart, you can see. Of course, this one is lucky magnet, can be lucky magnet sweep the low on the 2 cents possible. But the bullish targets is 49 liquidity pool and this one, let's come back here. So this is liquidity pool, 50 cents, psychological trigger. But at 50 cents, most likely we will see a lot of limit orders to sell, and the people will be wrecked with the high leverages when we're going to hit the yearly open, 67. So the target from this current prices, it can be like 165%, 100% pump. Withdraw initial deposit, forget about the talk. I want to show you now here, this is example at the top, almost 2 billion market capitalization. Now we landed to 268 million market cap. So guys, 3 billion market cap from these current prices, it can be like 1,000% gains, profit. More than real to see. Who knows? But guys, be careful with the numbers, you know, because people talk about billions like it's a millions. No, it's not a millions. Monthly gaps, guys. Here, the full fill will be around the yearly open. So yes, 58, 37, 66, 31. It's now like a bullish magnet for a Pnut. Technically, we pump it here at the beginning of May. We close exactly 0.5 level by FIP. The gap. Should we drop to the full fill? I don't see any reason. So I'm more bullish now for all altcoins, you know, because anyway, liquidity should inflow into alts one day, and BTC dominance should drop a little bit. So 100% profit, just withdraw initial deposit. Take a look at the bubble maps, and I highly recommend you watch all my educational videos about bubble maps, how to use it, how to analyze the project. Take a look at the holders. So at this current moment, you know, this is the holders, and this one wallet, right? This one wallet is hold more than 8%. So it's kind of interesting, right? And this one is connected. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wallets connected. This 4 wallets connected. By the way, here 3% supply, 4% supply. So basically, in total, it's 7, like tiny one, 0.08%. So around 8%. In general, this group of people hold it. We can click the magic notes and take a look at the connections. So basically, guys, of course, this one wallet also send the transfers to 3 more wallets. That's why be careful because still the supply in hands of some people who can dump the price by market, you know. You remember the situation with the mask token. One guy just pressed sell by market and dump recently the price 53% down in one sale and get a profit $4 million. So be careful with this type of tokens. So this is targets and the updates for Pnut with my customer request. This is not a time to out of this token at all. You know, like forgot about this token. It's not a top of the top for this one. We not hit even the highest point on Peanuts. On the weekly, this was accumulation on a weekly 13 cents comfortable price. Here's a 25 cents comfortable price for the whales. Here was accumulation on a daily before the pump. You could track everything by yourself. So now what we can see, now we're just in the middle. The main accumulation was here. So this was a ton accumulated Peanut. Now no accumulation, nothing. And we're just in the middle on ADZ. Also up to you, accumulate or not. Even on the daily time frame after this belief capitulation, we are in the hope zone. Still okay for accumulation. Nothing bad. Money power. Main accumulation of the Peanut was here. Now nothing. Weekly, nothing. Right. Two less indicators, guys. Trade on no data. Daily. Last one and only basically. Signal to buy was at 14 cents. Sell at 45. Now only the buyback signals. Pretty good one. So targets, guys, relevant. We talk about this local zone now. No makes sense to talk about a potential all-time high or so. Take profit, guys, here. What I don't like. I don't like we bounced over the exit line, come back. Now, if we reject a take profit line 29.42, yes, the road will be open to, can be open to the test of the daily buy line, 14 cents, 85. Once again, 12-hour time frame, take profit 37, buy line 18.65. So mark your comfortable zone, but it's possible to see, guys, the 3 drives pattern like this one. 1, 2, 3, correction and continuation, for example. That's why you can, for example, if you believe in Peanuts, you can buy now 26 and mark the levels, let's say 18 and everything what is under. I'm not a fan of DCA strategy, you know, but you can use it for this token at this current prices. Will be much better if we trade around the buy line, but all lines are dynamic. On the weekly time frame, there is no data yet. So guys, I hope you like this video. Right, please send a comment what you think about a Peanuts. Will we hit the new all-time high or not? If you would like to trade as my customer could say what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.